Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use Runway's motion brush. So first you just have to go to runway.com and you have to sign up if you don't have an account yet, and this is the result. So to start, let's start with image. So tap start with image here and import the image from your device or computer. So this is the motion brush and let's see how to use this one. So first, of course, you have to upload a file. So drag or upload the picture from your computer or device. Wait for a couple of seconds, and this is what it looks like. Now we have here options such as horizontal, vertical, proximity, and ambience. These aspects of motion speed control are available with the motion brush: proximity, vertical, and horizontal. So to get the desired result, this can be changed separately. So make sure to click Save once your options have been adjusted. So I can't see the exact number for this because sometimes it depends on your image. Okay, but what you want to do is simply adjust everything here till you get your desired result. And then once done, click Save. Okay, so do not forget to click Save. Anyways, if you see an unwanted object here, you can tap this eraser to erase that object. Okay, tap this one and then point this to the specific unwanted object to be erased by this tool. Going back to brush, let's point this to the area where we want this motion brush to affect. Once done, click Save and tap Generate. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Okay, so since I'm using the basic and free version, this is limited. So this is the result. And as you can see, there is a motion effect at the back. So let's try again another one. I have to click start with image, and then this time I'm going to introduce to you this camera motion beside motion brush. So you just have to set some changes here in order for you to get the desired result, and this is how you change the motion of your camera. So all you have to do is select or adjust some options and features right here, and then once done, all you have to do is to simply click Save. This time we're going to use another tool, which is this finalframe.net. So what is this? This editing tool is used to take a snapshot of the last frame on your first video, which of course you can continue using your motion brush. So go to finalframe.net, add the video, and then once done, you can now click download, go back to your motion brush, and then upload this video again. Now point this brush to that area where you want to see the motion effect, and then adjust the aspects of motion speed control here. Click and adjust here to get the desired result. Once done, all you have to do is to click save and then see the result. If you're happy with the result, then you can now download this. So this is what it looks like. And that's how easy it is to use Runway's motion brush. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.